Okay, and welcome to the shed. Today we are looking at a Ferrex Pro 20 volt Li-ion. How do you say that? Li-ion? Cordless impact driver, brushless. It does not come with a battery. So that's one of the things. If you buy this, make sure you've got a battery and a charger. I think the chargers are on sale for 16 quid, but that's without the batteries in Aldi at the moment. Nearly said Argos. And this is for tightening and loosening screw connections. The variable speed control is 0 to 2400 RPM. The impact rate is 0 to 33 BPM. High torque drive with a max of 180 Newton meters. Quick release chuck 6.3 millimeters, which is 1/4 of an inch. Variable speed controls, quick stop, spindle stop, left or right handed rotation, LED work light with afterglow, which means it'll stay on. Belt clip there. It just shows you a couple of uses for this. I bought the Ferrex Pro cordless impact drill a couple of weeks ago, so I've put this to my collection. I'll be using the same battery for now because poor old skint me can only afford to buy one battery, and I haven't seen it on sale with this thing. So let me destroy this box. Okie dokie. I'll put this down there so I can fall on it later. So you get plastic case again, you get metal hinges, and you get a lovely little window. I suppose that's more sales than anything else. So I'll get these off. Is this recording? Yes it is. Can you see that? Oh, yes you can. What is that there? What is this? Can you see that? It says subscribe. So do as baby whatever his name is says and subscribe to my channel. Right. Okie dokie. So all you get in this is the instructions manual. I don't know if you can see there. Just usual general stuff. Tells you what's it. It's got. Does it come with 3 screw bits in? It must do. Contents, impact driver, belt clip, and 3 screw trips, and which are there. And that's all that is really, is inserting it. So it says make sure that the product is not operational, as in the battery's not there. Lock the on-off switch by moving the direction to the middle position. Pull the locking sleeve forward. Insert the screw bit all the way. Let go of the locking sleeve to secure the screw bit in place. Shall we do that? Okay. Do you know what? It's got a nice weight to it, to be fair. Do you know what I forgot to do? Was get my battery. Oh well. It's got a nice weight to it. It's got reverse control, forward controls, nice Ferrex Pro. It's a good feel to it, to be fair. Really has good feel to it. And the belt clip will be the same as any of the others. It'll go, you'll have a little, if you got a little screw thing for this. Don't know if you can see that. I'm not sure if you have, I think that's just plastic. But that'll fit onto there. It'll slot in, and then you get your screwdriver and screw that into there, and that'll be there. Where is the screw anyway? Doesn't it keep the screw with it? No. No. So it doesn't come with a screw. Well, that's good, isn't it? How's that fit in there like that? Did it fit in there like that? Like that. Just for a check. Let's have a look for a minute. Did it come with a screw? Yeah, it says it did. So where is it? Okay, so I'm looking here and I cannot find the screw for the belt clip anywhere. It says in here it's supposed to be there, but it's not. I've probably got ones that'll fit. It's just, I think either what's happened is when I've taken out the destructions, maybe the screw was in that and it's dropped through and fallen into the 5th dimension. And I'll find it when I'm looking for something else again somewhere. But I probably won't use it with that anyway. So let's have a look. So you've got your flathead screws, nice tight, God, really tight. And then you've got the normal Phillips screws. So what you're supposed to do is put it in there, put it in the middle like that, pull that forward, drop the screw in, and that's it. That's in there then. You're ready for action. Get your battery also, there is. I don't know if you can see that on that. Yeah, you can, just about. Let's have a look that way. There is a nice little space there for the battery. Just one battery, and there's a nice space there for the battery charger. You've got bits and bobs space for other stuff, and obviously your drill goes there, charger goes there, screw bits there, and bits and bobs there. So let's put the battery on this and see how it goes. So here we go, let's have a look. It says it's got variable speed. It's got little arrows there, if you can see that, backwards, forwards. So can you hear that? Instant stop. Going backwards now. Not bad. I will be doing a demo with this. I need to get some decent screws for it to give it a test. I'll be testing this against the other Ferrex Pro, the impact drill, and see how good it is, see how much better this is, because this should be a lot better. And that's it really. Not much else I could actually show you about this. So taking it out, it's the same way. Lift that, pop that, same way back in, lift that and pop that. It's done. Oh. And put this back in there and put that back in there. Instructions can go there for now, and close it up, and you're ready to go. That's all it is. Okie dokie. I'll put a video up. We're in October now, so the weather in the UK is not brilliant. So if I get a nice day, what I'll probably do is do a demonstration with this and with the impact cordless brushless Ferrex Pro drill as well. So that's it. If you like this video or got any questions about it, drop us a comment, let me know. Also, if you haven't subscribed, can you do us a favor and subscribe? I'm trying my best to get to 500 subscribers. About halfway there now as I go. So until the next time, take care.